2016 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, compass, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, body color door handles, front license plate bracket, tinted glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.